Hello and welcome to E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Jahshii maintains his innocence and is appealing for calm. The dancehall entertainer was questioned and released yesterday after surrendering to the Constant Spring Police. His attorney Peter Champagne told E-Prime that he was questioned at length following claims on social media that he could assist the police with information regarding the death of a businessman on June 7 in the Grand Span area. Mr. Champagne says his client maintains his innocence and is encouraging persons with information to report to the police and not to take matters in their own hands. He added that the artist is focused on his budding music career. Vybz Kartel not critical, says court documents. In an affidavit obtained by E-Prime, filed by the Director of State Proceedings in the Supreme Court, it is claimed that Kartel, although ill, is not critical. The affidavit says that on June 7, 2023, Mr. Palmer was reviewed by the medical officer assigned to the institution. It added that, quote, I'm informed by the medical officer and do verily believe that whilst Mr. Palmer is ill, he is not critical and the condition he is suffering from is not life-threatening, end quote. It went on to say that Mr. Palmer has access to the medical team assigned to the institution and the government public health system, as well as to private medical practitioners, adding that the Department of Correctional Services has facilitated all requests by Mr. Palmer to interact with his private medical practitioners. It also spoke to Kartel being out of solitary confinement, stating that on May 31, all restrictions were lifted and Mr. Palmer is enjoying the privileges as other inmates. It said Palmer's cell has bedding and a standing fan to provide ventilation and has access to a shower area and a lavatory. The affidavit was in response to the notice of application for interim injunction filed on June 2 by Kartel's legal team. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.